Imagine a vast star-studded sky suddenly erupting in vibrant hues of green, blue, and purple. This isn't science fiction, it's the captivating magic of the Northern Lights, more formally known as the Aurora Borealis. For centuries, these celestial displays have captivated onlookers, inspiring awe and wonder in equal measure. Imagine standing in a snow-covered landscape, the crisp air biting at your cheeks, and then a silent explosion of color paints the night sky. The Northern Lights are a true spectacle of nature, a mesmerizing ballet of light that has intrigued humankind since we first looked up at the stars. From ancient myths and legends to modern-day photography expeditions, the Northern Lights continue to fascinate and inspire. But what are these dancing lights? What causes them to shimmer and shift across the sky in such a breathtaking symphony of color? Join us as we delve into the science and wonder of this incredible phenomenon, exploring where, when, and how you can experience the magic of the Northern Lights yourself. The Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are, to put it simply, a dazzling display of light in the sky. This breathtaking phenomenon is most commonly seen in the high-latitude regions of the Northern Hemisphere. Imagine a curtain of light, shimmering and rippling across the night sky. The colors are most often a vibrant green, but imagine shades of pink, red, violet, and even white mixed in for good measure. Now picture this, the colors aren't static. They move, dance, and twist across the sky as if choreographed by an unseen hand. That's the Aurora Borealis, a natural light show unlike anything else on Earth. And the best part? Each display is unique. No two auroras are ever the same, making every encounter with this celestial marvel a once-in-a-lifetime experience. What causes this spectacular light show? The answer lies in the heart of our solar system, the Sun. The Sun, aside from providing us with light and warmth, is constantly releasing a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. Picture this solar wind as a river of tiny particles flowing through space. When this river reaches Earth, it interacts with our planet's magnetic field, a sort of protective bubble that surrounds us. This magnetic field guides the charged particles toward the Earth's poles. As these particles collide with gases in our atmosphere, they get energized. This energy is then released in the form of light, creating the mesmerizing aurora we see. Different gases produce different colors, which is why auroras can be seen in various shades. Witnessing the wonder where and when to chase the lights. Seeing the Northern Lights is a bucket list experience, and luckily it's achievable with a bit of planning. The key is to head north, closer to the magnetic North Pole during the dark winter months. Think of countries like Canada, Alaska, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, and Finland. These places offer prime viewing locations within the auroral oval, a ring-shaped zone around the magnetic pole where auroral activity is highest. The best time to catch the lights is during the winter months, from late September to late March, when the nights are long and dark. Add clear skies and minimal light pollution to the equation, and you've got yourself a recipe for a magical aurora hunt. Remember, predicting the aurora's appearance is tricky. It's all about patience, a bit of luck, and being in the right place at the right time. Curiouser and curiouser. Fun facts about the aurora. Did you know that the Northern Lights have a southern counterpart? It's true, the Southern Lights, or Aurora Australis, put on an equally stunning show in the Southern Hemisphere, visible from places like Antarctica, New Zealand, and Tasmania. Here's another fun fact. The Northern Lights aren't just a visual treat, they also produce sounds. Although faint and rarely heard, these sounds have been described as crackling, hissing, or even clapping. And get this, other planets in our solar system have their own versions of auroras. Jupiter and Saturn, with their strong magnetic fields, boast particularly impressive auroral displays, visible through telescopes. The Northern Lights, with their captivating beauty and scientific wonder, continue to inspire awe and ignite our curiosity about the universe we inhabit.